Hello everyone, how are you doing? So let's start making our today's design. For that I'm using these three colors. This is also kind of a leftover fabric, so you can use to make small things if you have lot of leftover thread. Okay, and I'm using 2.5 because these all are 2-ply. Okay, so let's start. We'll start with our green color. So first we're going to make one magic ring, and now we are going to make one slip stitch, and then we make 1, 2 and 3 chains. Okay, now we are going to make one half double crochet and 2 chains, 1 and 2. Again I'm going to make one more half double crochet and 2 chains. So in this round we have to make total half double crochet including 2 chains. So when you count this chain also, they will become 8. So in this round we have to make 8 half double crochet. See, we are done with 8 half double crochet. Now we are going to close this magic ring, and we are going to make one slip stitch here in the first chain, and we'll make one slip knot. And now I'm going to cut the yarn, so I'm going to change color from here. Okay, you can take 4-ply yarn also. I think 4-ply yarn look much better. Okay, now in this I'm going to use this color. Okay, so we'll start working in the chain which we have given here chain space between all these double crochet. So we'll start working from here. First we'll make one slip knot, and now I'm going to make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We are going to lock these 2 loose yarns along with this stitch. Now I'm going to make 5 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3 and one more 4. So we have to make 5. I am counting that first chain also, so it will become 5. Okay, now from here I'm going to pull this yarn like this, and now I'm going to make 1 and 2 chains. Okay, now we are going to work same in the next chain space. We are going to make 5 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 5. This time we have taken 5 double crochet. Now from the first one we're going to pull this yarn, and we'll give 2 chains, and moving to the next space again we are going to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now from the first one here we are going to pull this yarn and make 2 chains. Moving to the next chain space. So in this way we are going to make total 8 popcorn stitch. Okay, 2, In this round we'll make 8 of them. Okay, see, it will look something like this. Okay, now moving to the next, we are using our next color and we'll start from these chain space. First we will make one slip knot. We'll make one slip knot. Now 1, 2, 3 chains, and we'll make one double crochet. We'll not finish, the last hook stitch should be on the hook. 2 and 3. Okay, join them all together. Now we'll make 1 and 2 chains, and we'll make one slip knot or a slip stitch at the top. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll make 4 chains and we'll make one slip stitch here. Okay, it will look something like this. Again, in the next chain space, we are going to make one slip stitch like this, and we are going to follow the same 1, 2, 1 chain, 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll make one double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. Okay, join them all together, one slip stitch, and now 1 and 2 chains, and we are going to make one slip stitch at the first one. From here 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain, and we are going to give one slip stitch in the same space. Moving to the next, again we will give one slip stitch and we'll start with chains, 4 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Join them, 1, 2 chains and one slip stitch in the first one. Again we will make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to give one slip stitch in the same space. So in this round we have to finish it like this. Okay, see, this is final look of our flower today. So if you like my design, please share your comments, your likes, and please follow my channel for new designs every day. So you can use it as keychain or bag charm, it's up to you. So thanks for watching, and please like and follow my channel, dear. Bye bye.